Hey guys, what's up? So today we'll be checking out this TP-Link AX3000 dual band gigabit Wi-Fi 6 router. This model is actually the Archer AX50. So this model comes with the USB 3.0 port at the back. So here's some of the more detailed specifications on the box. Trust me guys, you guys don't want to miss how this thing performs, so please stay tuned to the video. Real nice box. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, so that way you can have a peace of mind in case anything should go wrong. So let's unbox this thing and see what all we get inside. Here's some papers, along with your router's Wi-Fi name and password, and just your basic instruction manual. Here's our router. And our Ethernet cable and our power adapter, and that's all pretty much. Now let's take all this plastic off and look at the overall design. It's very thin and lightweight. These are your 4 adjustable antennas. There's that Intel logo and our TP-Link branding. Nice vents on the bottom and our indicator lights on the front. Now let's take a look at the back. We got our power button. And we got 4 gigabit ports and a USB 3 port, WPS button, and an LED controller. What do you guys think about this overall design? Comment down below and let me know. Alright guys, so this is how I have mine set up currently. I have it in my office. These lights, there's a LED button right here. You can turn it off, turn them back on. If you guys want to see my office, I got a video on my channel. You guys can go check it out. This is my old router, a Netgear AC1200. Alright guys, so let's do a speed test from my old router and see how it does, and I'll compare this to the new one. So there we go, and I'll be doing these speed tests from the same location. There we go. Alright guys, now let's do a speed test from the new router and see how it does. There we go. Wow. Big difference. So pretty much I get the same speeds wherever I go in the house on this new router, and I don't lose any bars on the Wi-Fi at all with this new router. Normally on the old one, when I go downstairs or anywhere else, I'll drop a bar or two, but this new one, definitely not. Alright guys, so I'm in my backyard right now and I haven't lost any bars on the Wi-Fi. All throughout the house, I still do not lose any bars. Before, on the old router, I'd probably only have one bar at this point. So let's do a speed test right here. See what we get. And I'm still basically pulling those same speeds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go halfway through the backyard and I'm gonna make my way down to the end of the fence and see just how this performs. See how many bars are lost and what speeds I'm getting. Okay, so there we go. Alright, so now let's go. I'll go maybe, let's see. I just cut the grass. Gotta get those up. So let's stop right here. Let's see, I got about 2 bars. Let's go. So basically half the speeds, which is still pretty good for this distance. And there we go. Now let's make our way down to the end and we'll see, because it's pretty impressive that I'm still able to get this far away and still have Wi-Fi. Still 2 bars. Let's exit that out. Let's tap go. Sorry about the glare, but look at that. Look at that. And that is super cool. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this. And that was a very long distance. There we go, guys. Alright guys, so first thing first, we want to go to the App Store and download TP-Link Tether app. Once we get that done, we want to go to settings, go to our Wi-Fi, and this paper that came in the box, it has your Wi-Fi name and password. Just go ahead and connect to that TP-Link. There's 2 of them. There's one with a 5G at the end. I just connected to the one with the 5G at the end. Okay, now let's open the app. If yours doesn't show up right here, just go ahead and tap that plus icon and just select router. Now this password is the password to get inside your router. It's not your Wi-Fi password. It's just to edit the router settings. Tap create. And we'll hit next. Next. And this is where you create your Wi-Fi password. Name it Lamar MK. And password subscribe. Hit next. Lamar MK for the 5G network. We'll keep the same password. Tap next. Here we go. We'll hit apply. And just wait. And there we go. Now let's just hit connect. I'm gonna connect to the 5G. Join. There we go. And hit finish. And just like that, we're all set up. So fresh out the box, your router might need an update. So just go to tools and you go to settings and firmware update. I already updated mine, so it will be there, and you just tap update. So this router is worth every single penny. Before, I used to struggle to watch a 4K video. Now there's no issues at all. 4K videos play without buffering. So if you know anybody that has crappy internet or a crappy router, please share this video with them. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Please also give this video a like. I currently have 130 subscribers, guys, so it would definitely help out if y'all would subscribe and help increase that number. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.